Did you know that you can use UI-licious to document how your product is supposed to work? And it's super useful for your QA team, your support team, and even your end users. So over here at UI-licious, what we do is we put our UI-licious test reports in our Notion page that documents the specifications of our product. So for example, over here, we have our user registration specifications, which document what screens are users supposed to see and what error messages are users supposed to see when they go through the user registration process. The first scenario we have documented over here is that when a user registers for an account on uilicious, they should be taken to the onboarding screen, and we have an embedded test report over here that shows screen by screen what a user does and what screens they're supposed to see. So they fill in the email, username, password, select their role, click on sign up for free, and if everything is all good, they should be seeing before we jump in, which is the onboarding screen itself. Now we have another test report over here with describing a scenario of what the user should see if they were to register with an email that is already taken. So by right, they should be seeing an error message that shows them that they already have an account with this email, so please log in instead. So it's pretty neat. It's really helpful for the whole team. It gets everyone on literally the same page. And how do you do this with uilicious? It's really simple. So over here we have a test report that's already open. You can just click on the share button, and this will bring up the share screen and show you a preview of the embed. You can go ahead and copy the link over here, and then let's head back to the Notion page and paste this link, and then you can click on create embed, and that will give you the embedded uilicious test report in your Notion page. Very cool, right?